Good morning students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class 4. As we have discussing about commands, logo commands. So we have discussed repeated commands. We have to type so many commands forward, back, and we are trying to do how to draw shapes. So now we are going to further for the new chapter regarding logo only with the new tricks. So we'll start. That how do you find turtle of logo, as we have discussed in fourth chapter, that is in triangle shape, and how it is move. Okay, by using some command like forward commands, backward commands. Which function of logo did you find the most useful? Okay, right, left, pen up and pen down. Okay, and what are the limitations of logo you all finding? I thought limitation that we have to write all the logo repeated times. If I want to draw some line, I want to draw some shapes, then I have to write all the logos again, command logos again and again. So by using this all commands, and we have to recover all the disadvantage of last chapter, we are going to see the procedures and repeat commands in the logo in this chapter. Take out your page number 45 of course book. We are going to see I connect section. Here I wrote 8 logo commands to draw a square. I want 4 more square in my drawings. That means I need to write 32 commands for drawing 4 square. She is writing some logo commands for drawing a square and she wants 4 squares. So she has to write 32 commands for drawing a 4 square. What she is telling? No, you can use a very useful command that will reduce the need to write so many preventives. Let me tell you more about it. What she has tell that she will give a good command to reduce all these limitations. So underline this. Now what we are going to see in this chapter, we are going to see the repeat command, how to draw polygons and circles, and understand how to create, edit, save and load a procedure. You have learned to write commands in logo to draw figures and perform arithmetic calculation. If you want to repeat the same set of command, you need to write them again in input box. In order to avoid repetition of commands, logo provide you with two options. If I want to avoid repetition, logo gives us two commands, that are repeat command and procedure. So we are going to see in this chapter repeat command and procedure one by one. We have seen basic logo commands, and in fourth chapter table number 4.1 on page number 36 is there with basic logo command. So we have seen some basic logos that are forward, back, right, left, home, clear screen, clean, clear text, set, home and print. Then after we have seen pen command. You all know what is use of pen command. To pen command is used to lift the pen of a turtle. It used to lift the pen of a turtle. Then after we have seen pen down. It lifts the pen of the turtle so that it does not draw the line. It used for pen. Then after pen down is used to put the pen down of the turtle. It puts the pen down like it shows in a example. It goes to the down. So this all commands are used in this new chapter. That's why I am again revising you the last commands. Now we are going to see repeat command. Repeat command is used to repeat a group of section multiple times. Example, I want to write some more command like forward, then after again right, left. If I want to draw some shape by using all the commands and I don't want to write it again and again, so I can use repeat command. Write command name repeat followed by space. Specify the number of times you want to repeat the command followed. Write the list of command to be repeated in the square bracket, the command are separated by putting the space between them. Now this is the syntax for the repeat command. Repeat, number of time you want to repeat, and all the commands in this brackets. To draw a square using the repeat command, repeat 4, FD50 and write 90. The use of repeat command reduce the number of commands to be written in the order to draw a figure. Now again I will tell you, this is a one example, and I will show you one more example, example 2. You need to write the following command to draw the shown in the figure. So I want to write this all commands again and again to draw this one. So avoid this repetition, I can write repeat 3. I want to repeat this command 3 times. FD50, write 90, forward 30, LT 90. So this you can see FDRT, FDLT, FDRT, FDLT, FDRT. So this cannot give us a repeated. And then after I want to write home, then HT. So this output will occur. From textbook, as I have shown you example 1, I can write here by using my keyboard. REPAT, repeat 4, open bracket 4, then after open bracket FD 50, that is forward, RT right 90, and close the brackets. So this is the way we can draw the same pattern as shown in the textbook. I know you all have understood the concept today I taught you. So you all have to read the course book at your home, and as I am giving you some exercise, you have to do it. Bye students, be safe, stay home.